Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all doing well. Good, I'm glad you're happy. I'm happy to see you to be honest. Let's start with a quick question. Yes, you. What did you eat for dinner yesterday? Ali, what did you eat again? Ah, couscous. Nice. And Sarah, you. What about you? What did you eat? Pizza. Very good. Okay. So Sarah ate pizza, Ali ate couscous. What do you prefer? Do you prefer pizza or couscous? Couscous, pizza, couscous. Cool. I love the diversity in the classroom though. Diversity of opinions that we have here. So most of you prefer pizza. You like junk food, huh? You know that junk food is not healthy, right? It's fine. So, as all of you might guess, today we will talk about food. Okay? What do you know about food? Anything that you want to tell me about food? Food is delicious, good. Food is expensive. Yeah, it might be expensive sometimes, especially if you live purchasing power is insane. Food is tasty. Food is important. Food is overrated. What? Did you say overrated? Can you survive without food, Hussein? Okay, let's go. Okay, cool. Okay, let's play a quick game right now. I'll say the name of a food, of a certain a particular food, it does not matter what it is, and you try to mime it, you try to mimic eating it, you try to pretend to eat it. Okay? It does not matter if you don't have a spoon or you don't have a fork or you don't have a cup or cutlery, anything. Okay? Just pretend to eat it. But remember, don't speak, only mimic. Okay, okay, only do the move that you usually do when you eat this food. If you don't know the food, freeze. Whoever knows the food mimic the way that you usually eat it. Okay? So let's go. One, two, three, pizza. Like you pick it and eat. Pizza. Do you eat pizza with a spoon, Hussam? Okay, so Hussam eats pizza with a spoon. He picks it and eats. Look, she is eating pizza with. Are you dipping? Okay, next one. Ice cream. I can see difference. Some people are biting it, some people are licking it. I prefer biting it too, to be honest. Okay, let's go. Soup. Okay, some people use a spoon, some people drink it. That's good. Yeah, it actually depends. Okay, let's go. Burgers. Yeah, Burger is delicious. It's not healthy though. Okay, last one. Hot tea. You prefer coffee? Coffee than hot tea? Okay. So who prefers coffee and who prefers hot tea? All of you prefer coffee? Okay, let's do hot tea now. Okay? Hot tea. You had to mimic it. Okay. Very good, very good. So, did you speak right now? You didn't. Okay, you just started mimicking. Okay? Did you mimic? Yes, great. You didn't speak, you tried to mimic. You tried to make the same moves that you usually do. That's great. Okay, cool. Look, guys, this is a restaurant menu. And I have a question for all of you. Have you ever ordered food in English before? Have you ever ordered food in English before? Hmm? Never. You did once? When did you do it? Ah, you traveled before to Turkey. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, so for those who have not ever ordered food in English, today we will learn how to order food politely, okay, like in a real restaurant with respect. So we go? Let's go, yay! Okay, so listen to me fast. Listen closely, okay? And whoever has a question can ask me right after I'm done explaining this part. No problem. Don't feel shy to ask questions because if you don't ask, you don't learn. And there is a rule that says that the most person that doesn't learn is a shy person, okay? So don't be shy. If you don't understand the word, if you don't have pronunciation, if you want me to repeat for you, I can repeat for you, no problems. Okay? You are my dear student. My main concern and my main aim is to make every single and each one of you feeling comfortable without any exception. Okay? Let's go. Listen to me. First, I'll be the customer and I'll be the waiter too. Okay? I'll make for you here a really short role play where I'm going to play a role of a customer and a waiter at the same time, and I will show you how it is usually done and how it should be done, so that I give an insight for those who have not ever ordered in English. Okay? Listen to me. So right now I'm going to be the customer. Okay? Hello, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? And the name of it, I am going to be the waiter right now. The waiter is the one that receives the orders. Okay? The waiter, of course. Anything to drink? Okay? Okay. Do you want me to repeat? No problem, I repeat for you. Okay, as many times until you understand. Cool. Shall we go? Are you all ready? Cool. Hello, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? The waiter right now, the one who receives orders. Yes, of course. Anything to drink? See how it usually goes? Okay, so listen again carefully. The customer says, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Did you hear my voice? It goes up at the end. Like there is a kind of intonation at the end. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? You see? It's raising. See? It's being raised. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? We didn't say, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? No. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? So, does my voice go up or down? Up. Yay, good. Every single one of you has said up. That's great. That means that you have understood. Cool. That's really good. We are doing really cool. Okay? Okay? Now repeat after me. All together. I am going to count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Again. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? For the last time. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Cool? Are you all noticing how my voice is going up right now? That's great. Now, one by one. Okay? One by one. You're going to go. First, go Ali. Nice job. Nice job. That's great. Okay? Ali, choose someone to. Ali. Go ahead, sir. Cool. Cool. That's great. Your voice goes up at the end. Okay? Let's go, Hussein. Your voice goes up. Yeah, this way, please. Your voice goes up at the end. You're doing really great. You're all doing amazingly incredible. I'm really proud of you. So right now, in order to make the understanding better, we are going to use a technique that is called back chaining. Okay? So right now, just repeat the last part. Sandwich, please. Go ahead. Cool. Great. Okay, now chicken sandwich, please. No, have a chicken sandwich, please. That's great. Finally, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Nice job. That's correct, yeah. Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Okay, so right now, let's change the food, okay? Try to repeat it with the same tone, raising it up at the end, but change the food, okay? For instance, I'll go fast. Can I have a pizza, please? Can I have some tea, please? You want me, what? You want to give me an example, Ali? Cool, go ahead. Great, great, great. Your friend Ali has just given us an example, which is, can you repeat it again? Cool. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Did you see how his voice went up at the end? It goes up, okay? That shows respect to the waiter. Cool. Okay, cool. So you are doing really great. Most of you have understood the lesson. and you're acting according to the rule that I explained to you. You're absorbing the information perfectly fine. Now you will practice in pairs. One is the waiter and one is the customer. Use the menu to order food. Remember, polite intonation, polite intonation, polite intonation. A polite intonation is your voice goes up at the end. Okay? If your voice does not go up, it's going to be considered as a statement, which is disrespectful when ordering. Okay? Because remember, speaking English is not only about words, it's also about pronunciation. It's also about how the words are said with. This is really important because most of you, you're English students, you're going to travel in the future. Inshallah, I really hope that for you. God willing, why not? So when you travel, try to remember me when you order, okay? I hope I'm leaving a good impression for my students. That's great. So as I said, you're going to work in past, one the customer, one the waiter. Your voice goes up at the end and I'll provide an example for you right now. Try to speak according to the example that I'm about to provide. Okay, I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. The example is, can I have a salad, please? Just notice the difference. Can I have a salad, please? Can I have salad, please? See the difference? It's like when you raise it, it's really, really, really polite. Okay? So, do you work alone? Cool. The right answer. Do you work in pairs? That's great. Yes, the right answer. Do you use the menu? Great. Yes, the right answer. Okay, so start. Work in pairs with your partners. That's great. That's really great. That's great. He didn't raise it? Can you say it? What was the example again? Can I have a Coke, please? No. Can I have a Coke, please? Repeat it, Anis. Great. That's great. You're doing perfectly fine. Really, really, really. Okay, cool. I really like the way that you worked in pairs. You were doing really, really well. I'm really proud of you. And I liked how fast you absorbed the information. I'm really proud of you. You're one of the greatest students that I've ever taught, okay? So, right now, since you knew how to order, since you understood how to order too, let's make it a little bit more difficult. Why not? So, you must order 2 things. Previously, we ordered only 1 thing. Right now, you are going to order 2 things respectfully, raising the intonation at the end. Okay? Raise your voice at the end. You are going to order 2 things. I'll give you an example. Can I have a pizza and a Coke, please? Can I have a pizza and a Coke, please? Can I have a bowl of water and a cup of coffee, please? Okay? See how I'm doing at the end? However, there is another condition. You have to switch roles. The waiter becomes a customer and the customer becomes a waiter. So when you work in pairs right now, there was a customer and a waiter. Right now, try to reverse the rules. Okay? So who was the customer is going to be the waiter, who was the waiter is going to be the customer. You understand? So, are you going to work with the same way that you worked with before? No. The waiter is going to be the customer and the customer is going to be the waiter? Yes, that's great. That's great. Excellent. No, I said 2 things. Cool, yes. Well, if you can order 3 things, order 3 things. Why not? Excellent, yeah. I mean, if you are rich enough. I'm poor, I order only 2 things on the most. That's great. That's great. That's really great. Raising the voice at the end, as I told you, yes, ordering 2 things. Perfectly. I'm proud of you, my student. That's really good. You did really amazing. I'll gift you next session, I promise you. What do you want to have? Okay? Tell me the food that you want me to bring. I'll bring you some food. And you want some cakes. Okay? You want juice. Okay. So we have all agreed on cakes and juice. Okay. So next time, next session, same time by this week, I'll bring you some juice and cakes as a way to gift you and to support you. Yeah. Cake and juice as a way to gift you and support you for your efforts. Okay. Great job. You have done an amazing job so far. You did a good job today, guys. I'm really proud of you. So, everyone, let's review. What did we practice? We practice ordering food in English. Yes, good. And what about pronunciation? You forgot pronunciation? It goes up at the end. Cool. That's great. That's really good. Ali, you said, can I have a pizza? I've just said you right now. Don't forget the please. It's actually good, but just add the please. You said, can I have a pizza? Yeah, you raised it, but use please. It's like an indication of respect. Repeat it again. Can I have a pizza, please? Yes. Perfect, much better. So, next time you go to a restaurant, remember, can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Very polite, very natural. Well done. I'm really proud of you. You did amazing. Okay. See you next session. Have a good day.